Welcome. This is a gentle evening yoga practice. We move slowly through poses, gently releasing any stress or tension that's built up from the day. Begin by laying on your back, having some space between the feet, a little space between the arms. Let the chin draw slightly inward, lengthening the back of the neck. And let the tongue rest on the upper palate of the mouth. Feeling the body on the floor, feeling the sensation of the different points of contact that the body has to the floor. And begin to notice the breath. Natural, relaxed, easy breath. And just checking in, doing a quick body scan. How does the body feel? Are there any areas that might be a little bit tired, sore? What is your energy levels like? What is your mood? If it's comfortable, you can stay here with the legs outstretched, or go ahead and begin to bend the knees, bringing the soles of the feet to the floor. Taking the feet a little bit more than hip distance apart and allowing the knees to draw in towards each other. We bring the left hand onto the chest and bring the right hand onto the belly. And allow the elbows to come back down to the floor if they've lifted up. So if the left hand and the right hand move away from the center a little bit to the side, that's okay. And we just feeling this connection, palms on the chest and abdomen. Feel this connection to the body. And now with the hands, feel the body breathing. Feel the breath. Feel as the left hand gently rises and falls. Feel as the right hand gently rises and falls. Letting the breath be completely natural, just watching and feeling. Notice, is the right hand moving more? Is the left hand moving more? Feel the sensation of air as it enters the body. Feel the sensation of air as it leaves the body, the chest, the belly. Release the hands and the arms back down to the floor alongside the body. If your legs are outstretched, go ahead and bend the knees and bring the soles of the feet to the floor. Keep the feet about hip distance apart and the knees directly over the heels. With an inhale, we ground through the soles of the feet, ground through the shoulders and the palms, and lift the hips up. And then as you exhale, slowly lower the hips down. We'll do this a few times so you can follow your own breath. Inhale, hips lift up, ground through the feet, press through the arms and the shoulders. And as you exhale, allow the hips to lower, reconnect down to the floor. Allow the breath to deepen if it's comfortable, and use the whole inhale to lift the hips up. Use the whole exhale to lower the hips again. More awareness on the breath. Feel the breath. Move in and out. And the next time that you inhale, we hold the pose for 5 breaths. So keep the hips lifted. Don't hold the breath. Keep breathing. Stay strong with the legs, strong in the arms. Allow the chest and the belly to move naturally with the breath in and out, up and down. And on your next exhale, slowly release. Gently hugging the knees in toward the chest. Rock on the low back from side to side. Extend the left leg out and draw the right knee in toward the chest. Soften the groin area, grounding the back of the left leg into the floor. And you should feel the thigh gently pressing against the abdomen. And maybe you feel a little extra pressure as you breathe in. And with an inhale, lift the forehead up to the knee. Don't hold the breath here. We take a few breaths, squeezing up. Keep the breath moving. And then lower the head, lower the leg. And then with your next inhale, drawing the left knee into the chest. Take a few deep breaths here. With each exhale, drawing the left knee closer towards the left shoulder. And with an inhale, lift the head up, squeeze up, forehead to the knee. Don't hold the breath. And release. Bring the head down, release the left leg down. Take a few breaths. Take your arms out in cactus arms. Bring the knees up over the hips, feet off the floor. We take a gentle twist, rolling the knees over towards the right side. And if it's okay with your neck, maybe turning the head over to the left. Take a few breaths to deepen this posture. With every exhale, releasing the hips, releasing the knees, the legs, the ankles. Allowing the shoulders to relax, elbows relax, grounding down towards the floor. And if you notice yourself trying to hold yourself in the position, see if you can release that effort and just let the body get heavy and take the shape of the pose. Chest facing the ceiling. Breathe deeply. Allowing the left side of the body to lengthen with each inhale. And then release the whole body with each exhale. With an inhale, bring the knees back to center. Pause at center for a breath or two. And whenever you're ready in your own time, we'll take the twist on the other side, drawing the knees in toward the chest and letting the knees drop over to the left side this time. If it's okay with your neck, turn your head towards the right. And again, letting the body settle here, letting the legs get heavy, grounding the upper back firmly into the floor. And feel the spine here in this gentle twist. And notice how the body is breathing. Slowly release the twist. Hug the knees in toward the chest. Reaching your hands in between the knees, see if you can hold on the outer edges of the feet. Heels press up toward the ceiling. Knees and thighs draw down to the floor on either side of the body. Taking a few breaths in happy baby pose. Allowing the spine to be long, connected to the mat. And slowly lowering the feet down towards the hips. And release the feet all the way to the floor. Make your way now onto your belly and come to rest the whole front side of the body on the floor. Forehead to the floor, turn your head to one side. Release the chest, release the belly. Release the hips, the legs, the thighs, the tops of the feet. And now we come up into Sphinx pose, so coming up onto the forearms, taking the elbows underneath the shoulders. Pressing down with the shoulders, the forearms, and the palms, we gently lift the chest up, releasing the belly, releasing the hips to the floor. So with an inhale, the chest lifts up, neck relaxed. And breathe deeply here. With each inhale, chest lifts, chest expands. Exhale, shoulders drop to the floor, belly softens. Turn the elbows out to the side and gently lower the head down towards the floor. Begin to bring your left knee out to the side, maybe turning the head also to face the left. Softening the front of the left hip, inner thigh and groin area, allowing it to draw down towards the floor. Take a few breaths here, breathing deeply, releasing completely. Extending the leg back. We take it on the other side. Bending the right knee, bringing it about waist height. Maybe turning the head also towards the right. Breathe deeply into the inner right thigh. Soften and release. And extending the right leg out. Palms underneath the shoulders. Gently press yourself up. Take the knees a bit wider than hip distance. Big toes touch behind. And come and rest into child's pose. Let the belly draw down in between the thighs. Chest draws down towards the floor. And forehead connects to the mat. Feel the sensation in the tops of the feet, the knees, the hips, the belly and the chest, and the sensation where the forehead is in contact with the floor. With an inhale, lift the head, walk the hands over towards the left side. Grounding the right hip to the floor, reach a little further with the right fingertips, just enough to feel a stretch along the right side of the body. And we take a few breaths, breathe deeply. Lift the head, walk the hands back through center and then all the way over to the right. This time grounding the left sit bone, left hip down towards the heel and reaching through the fingertips. Getting a little more length in the left side body and lift the head, come back to center. Come to sit back on your heels. With an inhale, reach the arms up. And take the hands behind the back, interlace the fingers. Squeeze the shoulder blades together and reach the palms down towards the floor behind you. Let the chest lift and gently look up toward the ceiling. Begin to move into a forward fold, bringing the belly, chest down onto the thighs, forehead to the floor. And now begin to lift the hips and roll onto the top of the head, drawing the hands away from the body and over to the floor in front of you. Feel the gentle pressure on the top of the head and breathe. Release the hands back down to the low back and roll the head back down to the forehead. Let the arms wrap around the legs and maybe palms hold on to the heels. Stay here for a few breaths. Thank you.